Hi, my name is broker Tony Ning and I'm with Cityscape Real Estate. I've been a broker for the last 30 years and today I want to bring to you a fantastic project. It's called the Forestview Towns. It's pre-construction townhomes in Pickering and it's urban living at its best in a beautiful natural setting. Forestview Towns will be built at Altona Road and Pine Grove Avenue, and just want to point out to you that this is across from the Altona Forest and it's basically encapsulated by conservation area. Over here we have the Rouge Park, Altona Forest, and this area is already built up. It's a very prestigious area. You can buy one of these townhomes and live in a fantastic home in a fantastic neighborhood, but I also want to point out to you it's a great opportunity for investment. So I've been quoting a potential of 20% return on investment. Let's be conservative. Yeah, I know you think I'm nuts, but hear me out. I bought my first investment property in downtown Toronto for $65,000 in 1985. And we've been through market cycles of ups and downs. Today, it's worth about $800,000. Why is that? Number one reason, population growth. Let me show you. Okay, so I'm at the worldometer.info site, and as you can see, the current population is growing. All right, the net population growth this year so far is about 71, close to 72 million so far this year, and this year's not out yet. And as births just today alone is 378,000. All right, so now what about Toronto? What's happening in Toronto? Here's another site I went to. It's called the torontostandard.com, and I scroll down here and you can read the city of Toronto predicts we will hit the 3 million people mark by 2020, and the GTA will be looking at 6 million. It's clear why condos are going up faster than anyone can imagine, but even with the future of concrete jungles before us, it is still not meeting the population demand. Not meeting the population demand. What does that mean? That means the prices have to go up because people need a place to live. So the number one reason again is population growth, because people need places to live, and that's your demand. Prime land scarcity, that is your supply. Supply is diminishing. It's hard to find good land to build on. For instance, the builder Stafford Homes that's building Forestview Towns can only find enough land, quality land, to build 38 townhomes. That's it, 38. If you were looking at other projects that have 300, 400, 500 townhomes to sell, cookie cutter townhomes, well, you know what? There's a lot more supply than there's demand. Right now, there's only 38 townhomes for sale at Forestview Town. That means the supply is very scarce, and for that particular area, $1 million neighborhood that has been landlocked with conservation areas like Altona Forest and the Rouge Park, guess what? The demand is high, the supply is scarce. What does that mean? Prices will go up. And another reason why prices are going to go up is because costs are going up. Materials, lumber, drywall, roofing material, it's all going up. Labor is going up. People are not working for less money. They're working for more money. Land is going up, okay? It's hard to find good land to build on. I was talking to the builder the other day and he said, you know, it's almost impossible to find good land. And good land is so expensive nowadays. Taxes are going up. So all these forces are going to cause the real estate market to continue to go up. Now, why Forestview Towns? The number one reason is because we're dealing with a great builder. Stafford Homes has 50 years of quality experience. They have built some fantastic projects in Canada and the US. These guys know what they're doing. They are ethical, honest, and they build quality projects that have unique designs. High quality, unique designs. Number two reason, I just covered that. Let's take a look. Now these townhomes, these are artist renditions of course. These townhomes are not townhomes, they're 3-story townhomes. Alright? And if you take a look up here, they got what they call a sky terrace. It's phenomenal. So, instead of barbecuing your barbecues in the backyard, you can barbecue in the privacy of your home on a sky terrace where the sun is nice and bright and shiny and warm. They also have extra large master bedrooms. I have not seen too many townhomes, especially forget the cookie cutters. I'm talking about like executive townhomes, where the master bedroom offers you 17.3 by 2110. This is phenomenal. This is huge. You don't find this in townhomes. And here again, we're talking about the sky terrace. This one has two sky terraces, one up here and one down here. Phenomenal design. And these townhomes come with 2-car garages. Okay, they're not these single garages. You can park 2 cars side by side. And there are some other models that are tandem garages where you park 1 car in front of the other, but nonetheless you could put 2 cars in your garage. Phenomenal design. Number 3 reason, location, location, location. I touched upon this a little bit earlier. If you take a look at the map here, look at the conservation. All these green here, okay, this green belt, this is encapsulating this area. You can't go this way, you can't go that way. You can go up a little bit here, but that's about it. This area has already been established, it's prestigious, okay, and the builder, Stafford Homes, can only find enough land to build 38 townhomes. That should tell you something, okay? There's no land there to build 5 million townhomes. If you run into a builder where they have a lot of townhomes for sale and they can keep expanding, you know what? The supply is too great for the demand. But here, there's no supply and the demand is high. Everybody wants to live in. This is like Muskoka in the city. You got all your conservation, greens, nature, fantastic. And then you just hop and skip away from Toronto, and also all your shopping, Metro, Rexall, local malls, that type of thing. So everything's already established. The roads are there, the schools are there, the infrastructure's there. You just plug yourself into a very prestigious area. This is a real winner. Another reason is the deposit structure. At least I don't know what's going to happen in the future, but right now, if you get in with VIP status with me, the builder's honoring a 10% deposit structure. In other words, you could leverage $500,000 worth of assets with just 10%. So you got 90% leveraging. That is phenomenal. Long closing, sometime in 2017. This could take place anywhere between spring to the fall of 2017, depending on the unit that you buy. They have different closing dates. So there's lots of time for the land to go up in value. So let me ask you this question. Is this property worth anything? What do you think? Probably not, right? Well, let me ask you this question. What if it's in Toronto, at Yonge and Dundas? Do you think this property is worth anything now? I think it's worth a lot, okay? So what does that tell you? It's the land that holds value. It's the land that appreciates. The structure, like the house that you see in the last picture, actually depreciates, goes down in value. That's why people renovate old homes. Now with Forestview Town, you can tie up the appreciating land value without the depreciating structure. That is huge. In other words, your house won't be built till 2017. So between now and then, the land has a chance to appreciate without a structure going down in value that you don't have to renovate. Beautiful. And with the starting price of $479,900, you can leverage the home with just $47,990, which is your 10% deposit. So you're leveraging $500,000 with $47,990. And what's 20% of $47,990? That's your investment, your total investment until occupancy is $9,598 in appreciation. What do you think? Do you think it's possible? Well, I can tell you in one of the projects we worked on recently, from the time it was pre-sale to the actual grand opening sale to the public, some of the homes went up $10,000. Can this go up $10,000? I think the potential is humongous. So if the price of the home at $479,900 goes up just 2% from now to 2017, which is very, very conservative, and I don't even want to quote what the rates were in the past few years, but it's much higher than 2%. But if it just went up 2% at 479,900, okay, there you go. Your 20% return on investment. Do the math. So until 2017 occupancy, there's no mortgage payments, no property taxes, no utilities, no large down payments, and no other fees. Now this beats out buying a home and renting it out immediately because you have mortgage payments and taxes and everything going on, or buying a raw piece of land. First of all, you have to have a lot of money, because if you buy a raw piece of land for, so let's just say $500,000, the bank's going to want $250,000 of your own down payment, and they may find, you may be lucky if they finance you 50% if you got good credit and good income. But on that $250,000, if you're holding on to sell it in 2017, you're going to be paying interest on that money plus property taxes. So here you have none of that. Now, why is this a good project to invest in? Well, there's only 38 townhomes being built. That means the supply is very low. The demand is very high. It's landlocked. Altona Forest, the Rouge Park, Rouge River area is landlocked. Builders can't buy that much land anymore in that area. It's established. The area is established. It's prestigious. Go drive around. There's $1 million homes in the area. The townhome designs by Forestview are unique. They're high demand designs. Large bedrooms, who doesn't want that? 2-car garages, fantastic. Sky terrace, come on. These are phenomenal features. Low deposit structure. If you get in now, you have to act fast. I have to tell you, I can get you to the front of the line. I can get you in for the low deposit structure and a few bonuses from the builder as well. Now, I just want to warn you, this is not open to the public. That's me standing there with the coming soon, register now sign. It's not open to the public, so the only way you can get in is through a VIP access. With a VIP access, I can get you in, and these townhomes are available now to you as a VIP only. Now, why become a VIP? Well, first of all, you're going to get the best selection, okay? They're not all sold out yet. There's still some good models available. You get the best selection if you get in now. You get the best possible prices. When it becomes available to the public, the builder may opt to raise the prices. You'll get the best incentives. I can also arrange a private meeting with the builder. How often do you get that? That is so amazing. And I don't know what more I can do, but you must be quick. It will sell out. So how do you become a VIP? Call me, Broker Tony Ning, 416-937-0648. You can also click on the register button if you're on my website. And if you're on YouTube, you can click on the link below that says register with Tony.tk. Once again, I want to thank you. I'm looking forward to you becoming one of my valued investor partners or a valued homeowner. So my name is Broker Tony Ning. I'm with Cityscape Real Estate. My phone number is 416-937-0648. And I want to thank you for listening to me, and have yourself a wonderful day. Bye for now.